Oh my gosh, can you just tell that I love the 90s like VHS aesthetic? Because I would definitely wear that around the parks. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The ring light is gonna have to work today because the natural light outside is not good. Welcome back to my channel everyone. If you're brand new here, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up or you head out. Today I'm going to be talking about ways to upcycle your old VHSs. I'm really excited about this because if you guys know me, you know I'm super passionate about upcycling, about thrifting, about being environmentally conscious, and I just love turning old things brand new. So I'm gonna talk about ways to upcycle the cases, to upcycle the tapes, and also to upcycle the actual tape itself. So I hope that you guys enjoy. I think that these are great ideas for Christmas presents, for crafts around your house. If you want to start an Etsy shop, I've been looking at Etsy for days thinking of some new ideas. And I hope that you guys like it. So yeah, let's talk about some fun ways to upcycle your old VHS tapes. Oh, also I do want to say as well that if you do want to turn any of these ideas into Christmas presents, that you can literally get these at Goodwill for like 25 cents to 50 cents. So you can do like the cheap, super cheap Christmas presents if you're on a budget this year, which I hope will be very helpful to you all. I thought that that was something on the floor, but it's light from the windows. Okay, so the first idea I have is kind of like a multi-part idea, which is a notebook. But you can make this notebook into so many different things. You can use it as a notebook, a scrapbook, you can use it as a cookbook if you wanted to put like your family recipes in it, or you could use it as an autograph book when you go to the Disney parks. I think the scrapbook and the autograph book are such fun ideas. So basically what I've seen people do is either they just use the case itself and then they put like a notepad in here, so you have like all of this room for paper basically. I've seen some people take it apart, so they'll just take like the outside, the paper part, and they might laminate it or something and just make it into a book. I've seen it done a ton of different ways, but I think that this is such a brilliant idea, and I think that this also can help upcycle old notebooks because I have so many old notebooks that are just filled with paper that I've used maybe a couple pages in the notebooks and I'm trying to get rid of the paper, but I don't want to just toss it because that's such a waste. So I think that that's such a good idea because not only are you upcycling the tape, but you can also upcycle paper as well, and it'd just be so cute. Like imagine going to the parks and then you have this cute little case and then you open it up and there's a notepad from Mickey the sign. That would be so cute. Or also as a scrapbook, and maybe you do a different VHS tape for each different Disney trip, and then you can go through and look at all your pictures from the trip and your tickets and all that other fun stuff. I think that that is such a genius idea. I love it so much and I definitely want to make one. Okay, the next one is definitely for the more crafty people. I really wanted to do this, but I don't have a sewing machine. But a lot of people make these into purses or clutches, and I think they are the cutest things ever. If you didn't know, I have a collection of like literally hundreds of VHS tapes. I will link that up above right now. But I think that it's really cool that people do this. I actually wanted to do this with all the ones that I had and sell them on Etsy, but because I don't have a sewing machine, I didn't want them to be like bad quality. But basically what people do is they use the actual case and then they line the inside with fabric. Some people I've seen put like a zipper right here, so you have like all this storage space, and then they put like a thing like this, so it's like a purse like this, or hangs low, and that is just so cute. I wish I had more creative bones in my body because I think that that's such a genius idea. I definitely want to order some off of Etsy because they're so cute, and I think that those would be such a perfect bag to take to the parks. Like they're small, they cute, and they Disney style. So I love that idea. It's so adorable. Okay, next up is, oh, this one I love as well. So people have been using, I'm gonna use a different one now since I've used that one a few times. So people have been using these VHSs as gift card holders, and also as jewelry, which I think is genius because, you know, when you're at Christmas, I think it'd be so cool to wrap this up in wrapping paper, and then when people open this, they're like, oh, a VHS? I don't have a VHS player anymore. Like, no, open it, and you open it up and there's like a gift card here, or a card with money, or like maybe like some fabric and then some earrings or a necklace inside. I think that's such a cute idea, and it's such a great way to recycle these VHSs and upcycle them and use them in different ways. And I just love that idea so much. I think it's so cute to put gift cards inside as presents. I think that's so adorable. Okay, next up is I've seen people use these as planters, and I also think you can do this one of different ways. I think I'm gonna need a few of these to show you what I mean with this. I think you could take the actual case, and if you stack it up, 3 of them, I'm not gonna be able to hold 3 of them probably, but if you like stack it up like this in some way basically, and you tape it, not tape it, but glue it, and then put something in the bottom, I think this could be a super cool pot that you could use for your plants. I think that is just genius. And also I've seen people use these as succulent planters. So they'll take out this part and this part, and then they'll put dirt here and then plants inside. That is so, so cute. It's so 90s. Like, it's such a throwback to have it in your room and to have little plants growing out of it. And also it helps save the planet, which I think is really, really awesome. Okay, next up also is a little bit of ingenuity, which I don't think that I could ever do, but people have been using the actual tapes themselves to make lamps. You can find them all over Etsy. They're so cute. So basically they use these old tapes. Sometimes they use this, sometimes they put like a sticker on top, and then right here there'll be little lights. So it'll be like a night light or a lamp. I think those are so cool. They look really neat. You can pick different colors for the inside of the light, and I just think that'd be so cute on my little nightstand, and when I need a light I just flick it on, and it's so genius. When I was looking on Etsy for a bunch of different ideas, and I was looking on Pinterest and all these different places, like the ingenuity of people was so insane. I can't believe all the things that people come up with. It's so awesome. With the actual tape itself, this was a really cool idea that I saw on Etsy. Some people take the tape and they make like, you know, the little like beaded walls. They make those, but with the tape themselves. I love that idea as well. I think it's so like throwback. And then what's also cool is the tape, you know, you can see like frames of the movie. So I think it's cool, like if you put that in front of a window or something, and then when you walk by, you could see little pieces of the movie. That would be so cute. And I just think it would probably take like some creativity to not make it just look like a pile of tape, but I think that you could definitely do it if you wanted to. And if you're more creatively advanced than me, you might be able to do it a little better than I would ever be able to do it. I'm just saying. Another idea I saw on Pinterest is people use them as like shelves. So like they'll put them on the wall, like they'll glue them here. So this is the part that you see on the wall, and then you can stack like this, or you can stack like this and have them next to each other. So cute. And you can stack little things. I think that's a great idea for like a movie room or a kid's room. I think that's super cute. I probably wouldn't put them in my living room, but that's just my personal style. But I think it's a great idea as well. And I think that it would look so cute with like some like Mickey snow globes on top, or things that you've collected from the parks. Okay, my next idea for these VHS tapes is to take a spine and make bookmarks. And this one I actually did, and I went a little overboard yesterday because I was getting obsessed. How cute! What I love about them is they're all so different. So this one is from the Walt Disney Haley Mills collection, and it looks like this. Whereas, let me find one there's some that are like glittery because they're from like the gold collection or whatever. And some of these I'm gonna be giving away. Oh, look at this one, Goofy Movie Gold collection. See how it's shiny? These I'm gonna be giving away a lot of them for Christmas because I just think that this is a brilliant idea. These from the Masterpiece collection are sparkly as well on the castle. So cute. I think it'd also be really cute to write on the back like Merry Christmas 2020, or to put like glitter. I think there's so many great ideas. If you have a way to laminate them, I think that would be really nice as well. But they're just so amazing, and there's so many different ones, and I think that this is such a cool idea, and I can't wait to use these as bookmarks. I mean, look at them. So cool. So yeah, I'm really excited to use these as bookmarks and also to give them away for Christmas. And because I knew people were gonna say, well, doesn't that ruin the VHS? I saved the Cinderella one that I did. So here's the Cinderella one. Here's the bookmark that I made from it. And you can see that it still has the front and the back. And honestly, I don't think it even looks bad without the middle slot. So if you wanted to give this to Goodwill or something, don't feel guilty about it because the VHS tape still looks great. And I mean, people can see it before they buy it anyway. So if they're specifically looking to get that thing, they will know that it's not there before they buy it. These are just brilliant. I'm obsessed. They're so flipping cute. And my last idea for you guys, this one is really fun, but it is a little bit more costly. I think it would be be so cool to make these into pins. So you know, like the pin machines where you like take like a piece of paper and you like stamp it out. Those are relatively expensive from what I saw on Amazon. They're like $100. You might be able to find a used one somewhere, or maybe if you go to school, they have one at your school. But I think this is such a cool idea, especially if you wanted to do like an Etsy shop or something, because I mean, just in this frame alone, you could get so many pins. You could get a pin of Lucifer, of the mice, of the couple, of the fairy godmother. On the back, you can get this little shot right here. I mean, you can use so many different pieces to make so many cute pins, and I would definitely go to the park wearing a pin that looked like that, or that had Lucifer or the mice. That would be so adorable. And I've seen online you can get different sized pins as well, so maybe you can make smaller ones of these and larger ones of these. I mean, look how many cute pins you'd be able to make. So many cute pins. This one for Christmas? Oh my gosh, can you just tell that I love the 90s like VHS aesthetic, because I would definitely wear that around the parks. Well guys, that is pretty much it for my ideas for you guys today. I hope that this video helps if you're like me and you have a VHS collection you're trying to get rid of. I personally just made the bookmarks and I'm donating the rest to Goodwill, but if you're a little more creative than me, I hope that these ideas help you. I really love the bookmarks and the purses and the notebooks. All of the ideas are just so fun and so creative, and I hope that you guys enjoy. If you'd like to see more upcycling videos, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, I have a playlist about my eco-friendly tips, which will have some upcycling videos in there as well. And I hope that you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful week, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye guys!